Hey everybody, I got a 2000 Troy built lawnmower. I'm trying to get rid of this thing. It's in really good shape, as y'all can tell. Deck's a little bit messed up, no big deal. I just hit a big rock. I put new blades on it, of course. Lights work, seat's in really good shape. There's nothing wrong with it at all. Everything works on it good. Let me start this thing up for y'all. There's your deck height. Goes up to 7. It's automatic. Runs really good, as you can hear. Great running little lawnmower. The only reason I'm wanting to get rid of it is it's got a Troy built. I've got a 0 turn coming. So if anybody's interested, give me a call. I'm wanting $250 for it. Tires are good. Thank y'all.